If you have footage with landscape screen and want to change the screen display to square or portrait mode on Premiere Pro, the method is quite easy. The first step that must be taken is to select New Item, then select Sequence. From the New Sequence window, we can use one of the available presets. Usually I use the Digital SLR preset with 30 FPS. Go to the Settings view. For the number of FPS, we can choose according to what we need. To create a sequence with a square display, set it from the frame size settings. Equalize the horizontal and vertical frame values as needed. As an example, I will use a size of 1080 pixels with a 1:1 ratio. If you want to give a sequence name for the project, type in sequence name. So that later, we don't have to create a sequence like this. We can save the preset. Click Save Preset. Type a name for the preset sequence. As an optional extra, you can type in a description for the sequence you're going to create. Click OK to save the preset. To see the preset that has been created, open it from the custom folder. If you want to use it, you only need to select the preset, and then select OK. And now we need to insert the footage. If a warning window like that appears, select Keep Existing Settings. Because there is a change in the video ratio mode, that footage will be cropped. To adjust the appearance, you can set up from the scale and position settings. Or we can also select the scale to frame size option. To fill in the empty parts of the frame, we can add text. Then set the position and scale of the text. In this tutorial, I will add a white layer and text at the bottom. And the result will be like this. If you want to create a sequence in portrait mode, the method is almost the same as the previous method. In the frame size, we need to swap the horizontal and the vertical value. And now the ratio has changed to 9:6. If you want to save the sequence, select Save Preset. And do the same like the previous steps. Drag and drop footage into the timeline. Select Keep Existing Settings. In this case, we need to enlarge the footage from the scale setting. Enlarge the footage until it covers the black bar. If the subject or object is out of frame, we need to create keyframes for the position. Adjust the position of the subject so that the focus is still in the frame. This is the difference from each mode that has been made. That's how to change the video display to square and portrait mode. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.